Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. Taking a look today at our supplementary angles. Remember your vocabulary. Supplementary angles is when two angles add up to 180 degrees or they form a straight line. We would call those supplementary angles. So in this case, obviously we have a straight line that's being split there by ray GE. All we have to do is substitute in the parts we do know and solve for x. So we've got angle FGE, which is 4x, plus our angle EGH, which is 6x, and we know that equals 180 degrees. So 10x together, divide by 10, x will equal 18. All right, so you got two more here to try. Get the music going, get your energy back in peak state. Here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.